Classic Vans has been family owned and operated since 1988, and here's a look at one of our quality conversion vehicles from our large selection. Classic Vans is the largest conversion van dealer in the country, selling new and pre-owned luxury conversion vans, camper vans, and wheelchair accessible vans. At Classic Vans, we pride ourselves in selling top quality conversion vans. All of our vans are certified and are backed with the best warranty in the country. We also provide nationwide delivery. At Classic Vans, we understand that quality conversion vans are hard to come by, and it's always been our goal to make the best quality conversion vans available to our customers while providing service second to none. Please call our sales staff and see how easy it is for us to deliver your new van to your home, office, and start enjoying the benefits of owning a conversion van. Choose Classic Vans for quality, service, and selection, and find out what makes us America's #1 conversion van dealer.